Alright, I don't know if you guys remember on the other video, but the toilet handle is not right. You can tell where it's hitting if this comes up, it's gonna hit the handle. So I have a new handle from Kohler. And that's what I'm gonna put in today. Let's see if I can get this out. That's gonna come out. This piece twists off. Trying to get you guys a better angle here. This just hooks onto your handle. Put that aside for a second. These threads on here for this nut are reversed. So to get it off, you gotta go that way. Or this way, sorry. This way. Which normally you would be tightening it up, but it actually loosens it up. Alright. There's the new one. I think this one has here. I don't know if I even need that. I might not even need it. Yeah, I might not even need it. Alright, I'm gonna put the chain back on. Like that. This part kind of locks back in. This bottom part locks back in. Get it back in there. Let me bend this out a little bit. It's still hidden. Let me take the pliers to it. I think it's stuck on top of the thing. All right, I got it so it's not hidden. I kind of bent this back. So I'm going to turn it back on and make sure it flushes good. Check that out. All right, so if you need this type of handle, it is a Kohler part. I believe they got it from Amazon. It's a 53044. You just want to make sure that you get the right handle. It's a trip lever service. So if you put in that number, if you have a Kohler, you'll be able to get that right angle so it's not straight.